There's the cornbread for the dressing. We'll have to videotape how Mom makes the dressing so that when they're not around later on in life, we could go by what we have on video on how to make dressing Mom's way. Okay. Hello, Grandma. Grandma's sleeping. It's a nice haircut she's got. I really do like her hair. It's so modern. Better than those beehives that she used to wear. Oh, Grandma. I love my grandma. So here's her foot. She has gotten this cushion around it because it's been swelling up and turning colors, which is not too good. Okay. Carol needs my help on that game again. It's better having problems. Okay, go up. Go over to the tube. Look, it's the Vasquez family. Upon entering the gate is now Winona Vasquez, formerly as Winona Ellen Black. Wow, look how big she is. Oh, look at the babies. Baby bees. Oh, look, here comes Adam. The turd brain with a dirty face and dirty clothes. No, I'll let you do it later. Hello, nerd. What's up, kid?
Hi.
You're fine? How come your face is dirty? Have you guys wearing the same clothes as yesterday?
Hello?
You're wearing the same clothes as yesterday.
Hello.
Hey, Mr. Vasquez. Albert. It's not nasties, is it?
No.
If I could walk without running into anything here.
Now whoever watches this 20 years from now, this is going to probably cost $20 to buy. See, you're getting a bargain in 1995.
Yep. You can't see right now. There's Albert's car, and he put a new stereo in there.
This is where I threw Cheryl at.
Yeah, yep. See, actually, I was driving the car, and I hit something.
It was Bobby Joe, too. Yep, there's my boombox. Way in the back.
Way in the back.
Give you a headache.
There's Dad's truck. Dad still has the same truck.
Same truck since 1802.
Let's go inside. Oh, this is what the outside looks with the new screen door. We'll pause here.
Like little urchins.
They are.
Yeah, you forgot it, didn't you? Come, baby. There we go. That's what you do.
The attack of the killer hippo.
Do that.
Gonna tell Grandma hi there, Grandma Mary? We don't know. These first things happen Sunday, aren't Grandma? Grandma Mary was here. Hi, kid. Hi, kid. Yes, sir. Smile for Grandma. Yes, sir. Look. I stick it right back. Yes, I do. I stick it right back.
Adam.
Yes, I do. We found her cap. Huh? We found her cap. What she had on this right here.
Hey, you.
My mom would actually take the food out of the fridge.
Here's baby Miranda Rose Vasquez. Actually, I just call her Randy. She's a good little kid. Let's sit down and drill at one another here.
There's a big old cat.
Hey, baby!
Hey, baby.
Yeah, look at there, boy. That's a cat, man. You got TV?
Yep.
You can.
Yeah, I guess my pet Cheryl's.
What? Where are you?